Now we're back sa ating stalking time. So yun nga no, hi muna sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome, and sa ating mga returning tambayers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support na binibigay sa akin. At kung hindi niyo pa know sa mga babes, meron pa po tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. If interested, just click that link para kayo ay mapunta dun sa ating other channel na, and yun nga mga babes na wala tayong gender dito. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody welcome. Pwede niyo rin pong i-switch yung mga roles dahil possible talaga ditong magkapalit-palit kasi general reading ito. No? And you know the drill, okay? Pwede ninyong isipin if you have specific person on mind, you can visualize his or her face no, while I'm doing the shuffling, or para mas makapag-concentrate kayo, pwede nyo i-pause pansamantala yung video, at kapag done na kayong i-visualize no, ang inyo rito no, na person on mind no, kung may specific, pwede nyo na ulit i-resume ito. No? Pero pwede rin naman na gawin nyo yan habang ako ay nag-shuffle. Yun yung mga babes na. And paano naman dun sa mga energies na walang gusto rito no, na tingnan na specific person no, pero gusto rito malaman kung ano man no, ang kanila rito parang possible na maging energies, no, or kung sino man yung possible na kukonek sa kanila, then pwede rin yun. You can also set your intentions right here, no, para makakoncentrate ka, pwede mo rin i-post tong video na to, no, at i-resume mo na lang ulit. Pero kung pwede mo naman na parang iset yung intentions mo, no, while I'm doing the shuffling and habang ako ay dumadaldal, pwede mo rin gawin yun, babes, okay? So, walang gender ba, lalaki, LGBT ha, welcome everybody, and you can take only what resonates with you. And at the end of the day, you have your free will kung gusto nyo i-claim yung mga messages or not. So let's go ahead. Now we have here two decks, no? So ilalatag at isa-shuffle na muna natin lahat before we start talking on this situation here and whoever it is na ating mahahagip. I hope makuha ko yung energies mo. Yes, ikaw na nanonood ngayon at nakatingin sa yung screen. Mapa cellphone man yan, tablet, no, desktop, computer, bala kayo dyan. Let us see. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Together with the angel guides, can we get messages right here of whoever it is connecting what is inside his or her thoughts, possible actions, movements, plans? Can we get messages right here? Tell me if this is a new person right here or an old person here. Let us see. Okay, so let us see. Latag naman na natin all, guys. You have here both. You also have here the chaser. Here then mirror. Here then stab in the back. Present then axe. Andito then love call. You also have here the Grim Reaper. You also have here love. And bottom of the deck, we have the I like you. I like you. Lagay natin dito. So, we're gonna shuffle this muna. Tell me more about the situation here. For my collective people, can we get more information here from this deck? Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Angel guides. More informations for my collective. There you go. So let us see what do we have here. Added informations from the tarot. Six of Wands. The Hierophant energy. Ace of Cups. Death energy. Also have here the Four of Cups. Present din dito ang Four of Swords. Bottom of the deck, we have the Queen of Wands. Okay, pero mukhang nagkakaroon tayo ng permission to look at what's next. Strength energy. Wait lang, ayusin natin yung lighting mga babes. Lampshade kasi 'to. May commercial. Urong na lang natin yung mesa. Yung mesa inurong, pwede naman pala. Ayan. Okay, so sorry for that commercial mga babes. Napansamantala tayo, no? Na naloka sa pag-urong ng mesa at pag-aayos rito ng ating table. So, yun na nga, no? From the looks of this one, I'm seeing right here, no? Na possible na mas pinapakita rito, no? Mas lumilitaw rito mga babes, no? Na ang energy nyo ngayon ay looking for new love. So, kung kayo ay looking for new love or gusto nyo ng bagong pag-ibig kesa ang old flame, then magstay kayo rito ano, sa ating channel. So if you're hearing some kind of noise in my background mga babes, I'm sorry about that. No, let's continue na lamang dito, no? And yun nga, no, mag-focus tayo in our own world, yan, no? And yun nga, no, wala tayo ditong gender sa babae lalaki, pasintabi sa mga kumakain, no? Thank you so much. Okay? And yun nga, no, dito mga babes, nakikita natin, no, na kung sino man yung mga energies na nahagip, you're wanting new love, you want here something that's new. So, old flame is not welcome anymore in your life, no? Pero may mga lumabas pa rin ditong ganon. Because we have here the both, okay? It looks like others of you are already someone here who's moving forward sa inyong life or you are already someone here na nakaka-move on na rito, no? From your previous heartaches or heartbreak, no? So, nakita natin dito na hindi naging madali ang inyong pinagdaanan with the presence of acts right here, no? Yung breakup is possible na nag-cause ng inyong separation from your old partner, no? Is yung parang betrayal, no? Kayo rito ay kanyang trinaydor, binitrayed, no? And yung iba naman rito parang paulit-ulit na lang tong cycle na to kaya gusto mo na itong matapos or mag-end, no? So nakita ko rito na parang kayo to, no, na parang una, parang lahat laging sinasabi ninyo, in-explain niyo sa kanya na wag niyang gawin yan, kung gusto niya talaga ng pagbabago sa inyong connection. No? Pero, paulit-ulit lang din yung ginagawa rito hanggang sa naging tahimik na kayo rito at napagod na kayo sa kakasalita at kaka-explain no, na parang ang kausap niyo rito no, ay isang fetus. 'Di ba? So, kasi naman 'tong energy na 'to 'no, parang wala siyang energy na magbago dahil alam mo wala talaga sa energy niya ang magbabago. Bakit? Kasi kung sino yung ka-deal mo bukod sa siya ay immature, easygoing din siya at parang siya yung klase ng energy na meron siya rito na parang ang gusto niya lang dito ay fun, 'no? Yun lang yung hinahanap niya rito 'no, having fun. Okay, nothing serious about that, yan. Pero na-attach kayo sa kanya 'no, yun ang nakita ko rito, that's why nagkaroon kayo ng relationship 'no. Pero nakita ko rito 'no, na kaya lamang lang naman umandar ang inyong relationship is dahil sa'yo. Okay? Dahil binuhos mo dito yung buo mong strength, no? Alam mo yung pagsasagwan, no? Kahit sa isang maliit na balsa, okay, ikaw lang yung sumagwan nun, wala siyang tulong. Wala siyang masyadong ambag sa pagsagwa ng inyong connection. So, lumabas dito mga babes, no, na kung sino man itong mga energies na ito, na meron ditong klase ng energy kung saan possible mga babes, no, na nagsawa na kayo, napakiusapan siya, so nag-let go na lang kayo rito, no. So, hindi rin naging madali, no. Nakita ko rin dito mga babes, no, na parang lalo nung mga first, no, hinabol-habol niya kayo rito through tawag, no, tinawagan niya kayo rito, no, tinext niya kayo rito na parang nako-confuse kayo kung babalik ba kayo sa kanya or hindi, no, pero talagang your decision here is very firm, no, ayoko na na maulit itong gantong klase ng connection, so I must end it, yan, no. The Grim Reaper right here, ikaw na talaga yung naging Grim Reaper dito sa inyong connection at talaga namang kinat mo na yung ties mo with this old flame, with this lover right here, no, na ang hanap lang ay fun, no? Not serious at all, no? Pero ikaw, you're serious because this is you. You have this type of energy that you can definitely be, no? Nakikita ko nga dito na parang ikaw mismo ang definition ng love. Yan, no? Ano ibig mo dun sabihin, Miss yan, no? Love, okay? As it is being defined, no? wala tayong relihiyon dito or beliefs, no? Kahit anong beliefs ninyo, religion, welcome. Ibig lang sabihin no, you are someone here who can definitely give love, no? Okay, kung ano man yung meaning niyan sa dictionary, no, you fully understand that, no, and you are the best definition of someone who can definitely knew what is the deeper meaning of love, no? Yan. And nakita natin dito that this is you. You are not in for fun. This is you. Mas nag-mature kayo rito, no? And you want new love. You want unconditional love right here, no? So, parang kayo to na ang hahabulin ko lang talaga rito, no? Ay ang klase ng love na deserve ko. No? And look at that, you're hugging here, no? Heart, no? Na mas malaki pa rito sa kalahati ng katawan ninyo. So, it looks like you're gonna find here, no? Someone who can reciprocate this unconditional love, your other half, no? So, nakikita ko rito that you will definitely be in an affection and you will attract someone who fits your energy, no? So, nakita ko rito, no, that you will like someone new with the presence of I like you, no? Someone likes you, romance is blooming. Yan, no? So, nakikita ko dito that you will definitely go out on a date with someone new. And what I love about this energy right here is this person here is it looks like you're mirroring each other, no? Mukhang meron kayo rito mga parehas na pinagdaanan kung saan, no? Mas magre-reflect rito, no, inyo ritong mga parang mga pagkakaparehas ng mga situations at ito yung magiging daan upang mas lalo maging intact or compact ang inyo ritong connection. So, wow, I'm seeing you meeting someone new na nakikita ko kayo rito na mas maraming conversations kayo ritong pag-uusapan and you are no longer in the type of energy. Hahabulin kayo ni ex nyo, magte-text sa inyo gagamit ng ibang number. Posible rin mag-create ng dummy account kung blinak nyo siya rito sa mga social media ninyo, whether that's Facebook, whether that's Instagram right here, no, whatever that social media platform is. Your ex will definitely bother you, flood you right here messages, but you are not in for any means of communication to that old person right here because you are no longer in the type of energy that you want to go back and you're not confused anymore. So that's why this attraction of new love is mas lalong lumalakas. Your vibration right here, you're attracting this person right here who is appearing someone who can also look at you the same thing na pwede mo siyang tingnan when it comes to love. And that person will also likes you. See, look at that, no? Someone likes you. And I think this person right here, no, actually you do not need nga to do some kind of effort because this person here with the Six of Wands energy will do the effort right here, no? For you guys, no? Ay effortan niya kayo rito. This person here, na I'm seeing rebirth of a kind of love, no? Na pwede ninyong i-elevate. Hierophant energy is tataas, no? Ang inyo rito, no? Na parang tingin sa tao na to, no? From like or pagkagusto, you will definitely fall in love to this person here and this person here will also fall in love with you. And after that stage, you will go into this type of energy that you will already talk about marriage, having family together, pagsasama, union right here, no? This person here is willing to make pakasal sa inyo no matter what happen, no? Kasi di ba yung iba, parang sa iba kasi depende naman yun sa mag-partner, no? Pero siya ang paniniwala niya, ibibigay niya sa'yo ang kasal. Wala tayo ditong gender ha, kasi parang ito ay isang klase ng bagay na importante sa iyo at alam niyang importante rin sa kanya, no? So, gusto niya dito, shared talaga kayo rito, no, ng pangalan, no, ng apelyido rito, no? Parang isang klase rin rito, no, ng ownership, no, that this person here is mine and he or she, no, sa kanya ako, no, I'm yours. Tururututu. Diba? So, nakikita ko rito na parang you will be so happy every day with this person right here. Mapapahaming kayo, yung yung parang wala kayong problema, na parang alam niyo na may parating na mga bayarin, no? Mga electricity, tubig, ganyan, no? Pero hindi kayo namumroblema, no? Dahil in love kayo Dahil alam ninyo no, na may tao right here no, nagpapasaya ng mundo ninyo. No? Hindi kayo nababother sa mga simple problems no, and even sa mga problems na malalaki na dumarating sa inyo. You're not bothered because you already have someone new right here. Ace of Cups. Definitely new love, new attraction with new person, no? And this is a higher level of commitment right here, sweetheart, no? I'm seeing you very happy that you will definitely jump right here, no? So joy. At nakikita ko rito that this is something here that you don't want na lumampas sa inyong life, no? So nakikita ko rito that you are all in giving your time, effort with this new person dahil mas makikita mo sa kanya rito, no? Yung klase ng potential no, na hinahanap mo sa isang partner. No? At hindi lang yan, no? Alam mo ba, magdadagdag din siya ng glow sa inyo. Yung iba kasi sa inyo parang nagmukha kayong matanda dito sa inyong old flame dahil puro problema ang binigay niya. No? Nagka-wrinkles kayo, na-stress kayo. Yung iba nagka-pimples no? At nagkaroon ng acne scars and marks. No? May blemishes. Kasi hindi kayo nakakatulog ng maayos na wala kayong masyadong glow, 'di ba? Pero dito with the new person, makikita ko rito at makikita rin dito ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo na, uy, mukha kang bata, you look younger now. Last time nakita ka namin super haggard, super stressed ka. Pero ngayon parang may ginawa ka ba? Nagpunta ka ba sa skincare clinic? Nagpasalon ka ba? Nawala yung eye bags mo, te. Or parang alam mo, parang mas lalo kang gumwapo ngayon. Hindi ko maintindihan pero lumilitaw talaga ngayon, no? So parang talagang makakatulong ang person mo rito na para magmukha ka rin talaga rito hindi losyang or losyong, meaning to say hindi haggard, hindi stress with this new love right here. Ito naman ang pangarap ng lahat, no? Ang hindi nakaka-stress ang love. So nakita ko dito na ito yung klase ng energy na unti-unting magbabalik ng strength and confidence sa iyong life, Queen of Wands energy. And at the same time, this is the person here na nakikita ko magiging well invested sa'yo. So, yun na nga nang bibigay na tayo ng mga initials dahil meron tayo ng kita rito. Yan na. Ito ha, una kong babanggitin. Possible na ito talaga ang first letter ng ewan ko. First name ba niya yan? Second name, apelyido or middle name? Pero nakikita natin dito ang capital letter, no? At ito ay ang capital letter S. Yan, no? Maaaring yan ay specific sign and clue for someone specific viewer. But just take only what resonates. Marami pa tayong ibang letters dito. Sa maaaring parts ng letters, initials mo, ng name mo or name niya. Just take how this resonates, okay? Let's start this. We have here letter Y. We also have here letter D as in dog. Okay? We also have here letter K and dito rin letter T as in tub. Okay? We also have here letter V. Yan, no? As in victory, V right here. We also have here the letter N. And last but not the least, we have here the letter A. If A is present, parang marami siya nun sa kanyang pangalan. So, ito yung mga messages right here for you guys. Again, I'm Rihanna, and thank you so much. Sarang Love and Light.